Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to add PS Remote Play app controls for button mapping in iPhone. So you can add customization. So for that, right, you need to go to this general on your settings, general, and here just scroll down, go to game controller. So here we need to tap this custom controls. By default, backbone controls will be there. So if you want to add it, right, just scroll down, and if you made some changes and if you want to restore it, you can do it on restore to defaults. But I'm going to add the app, so tap add app. So that is PS Remote Play, so I'm going to tap it. Super cool. Also I'm going to add it for PS app, and if you want to add, right, specifically Call of Duty, that also you can add it here. So now everything is done. So if you open the PS app, right, open PS Remote Play, you can connect it. Super cool, right? It's successfully connected. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can add PS app buttons to backbone controller. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.